Yo guys, my name is Washer J.
And this is GMJ.
Subscribe to
TJ God Kicks 89 on YouTube channel.
What's up guys, TJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another video for you guys. Today we have got a late Jordan 1 pickup. It is on the Black Fresh Mint Light Army, otherwise known as the Rust Shadow Patina highs. So this is the Jordan 1 Patina Rust Shadow High. And as usual, let's get into some story time. So this wasn't a shoe that I was really looking to cop. I like the Wings Jordan 1 like idea that they had going on here. I know that this is not going to rub off, but it looks somewhat similar to the Wings Jordan 1. But I was just at Hoop Station Summit, about to head into a basketball game before Ramadan with all of my Media Prima friends. Walked into the Hoop Station store just wanting to cop a this jacket, the Jordan 5 flight jacket that they had on discount, and this was just there sitting on shelves. Picked it off the shelf, asked the store attendant. He said that this is the last pair left. It was a pay with purchase to avoid the resellers coming to scoop up all the pairs. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this jacket, so I might as well just get the shoes while I was at it, because I'll get into that in the video as to why I really like the design aspect behind the shoe. But yeah, so this is how I picked up the shoe. So the Rust Shadow Air Jordan 1, not really much to say about it except for different design cues here and there, but primarily leather upper. This is like the first thing that I like about the shoe, is the quality of the leather. When you touch this in hand and you run your fingers across, especially this top part and this black part at the sidewalls here, there's lots of, I don't know, it's just a really quality leather that I haven't felt on Jordan 1 in a while. And also this this rusted part, or what they call the patina parts, also here, is really soft, feels really good to the touch, and will definitely lend to a lot of comfort when you're wearing the shoe. A little bit thing to go into why I don't consider this the Patina Air Jordan 1 is because back in 2011, I'll just go pull out the shoe. Back in 2011, we had the Jordan 2011 aptly named. Really love this shoe. Had multiple colors, multiple pairs. Love the interchangeable midsole. But this was the first time that Jordan considered doing like a patina touch, patina look to their shoe, just to kind of add a different vibe to each of the pairs that you were getting. So not one pair will be similar, and you can see the hand buffing going on there all throughout the shoe. And it's not really the same if you compare them side by side. Obviously, I can understand why this is making reference to the process that they used to make the Jordan 11 upper so unique, but I don't really consider this to be a patina model. So now that we've got the front part of the shoe going out of the way, you've also got the same patina look here on the swoosh, and also on the lace holes going up. And at the back, this is where it gets interesting, because this here is just using a very nice suede material at the back, which is reminiscent of the 2009 Jordan 1 Shadows. Obviously, so many people have said that, and this is why this pair really just appealed to me. I love the materials going all the way around, and this collar also is really smooth and soft. And I know that there's foam backing it, but whatever it is that the leather just adds to this whole really nice premium touch, as with any Jordan 1. Same thing on the medial side. Going up the laces, you've got a flat black lace, and you also have on this pair a pair of mint laces, just to kind of match with the whole Nike Air patch going on at the top. Jordan 1 nylon tongue, the Nike Air tag, which is a very different touch. It's very reminiscent of the old 2006 2005 Jordan 1 mid patches, which is stitched on and doesn't have the Nike copywriting at the back. It doesn't go all the way through. This I stay lace, or whatever you call it, the whole loop thing doesn't go all the way. Instead, at the back, you've got it through the Jordan 1 mid fashion of back in the day. You've got this foam liner at the back. On the inside, you've got the Jordan 1 insole with the Nike Air writing there in mint, and a sail midsole. This is also another interesting thing. I thought it would have been white. This is white, but this is sail. So you got the sail midsole going around. Adds to a weathered look, a very vintage look. Black outsole, and that's it. So yeah, an unexpected pickup, guys. I really wasn't expecting to get this in hand or even own this at retail, given the hype around Jordan 1s, Nike Dunks these days. But very, very happy with the quality. The only thing that I'm just unhappy with is that some of the holes aren't punched through. But given that the materials are on point, that there's no scuffing from the factory whatsoever, very, very happy. Same thing on this pair, except this pair is cleanly punched out. Yeah, so let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this review, if you guys actually wanted to have this pair, or if you guys actually have it in your collection now. That's pretty much it, guys. TJ Got Kicks 89 out.